Good morning, this is Chris with Aspen Home Improvement. Today we're going to be working on a large fence repair here in McLain Flats. This is an elk grazing ground, so you can see where the elk or horses or other just weather has taken some of these rails down. So we're going to be working out here for a couple days, replacing and repairing and things like that. So you can see here this root is pretty rotten. So this rail is going to go away. Here we are about 5 hours in, and the fence is really starting to look a lot better now. Homeowner stopped by, they're very happy. We're at a good stopping point on the north side, so we're going to head over to the south side, do a quick survey, and then keep going. Due to the heavy elk migration in this area, you can see this top rail right here. It's supported by this black U-bracket, and that allows these rails to be removable during migration season. Looks like we also have some down here that are missing. Yeah. And I'm not sure, maybe for the little guys, maybe that's what it's for. So the little ones can go under and the big ones can go over the top. morning, welcome back. This is day 2 of the McLain Flats fence repair, and it's another beautiful weather day. We got some stuff over here on the south side we're going to get started on. Let's get going. Here we are on day 2. We got a storm coming in, so we finished just in time. And I'll walk you down the fence line to see some of the finished product here.